What's up, you guys? Rich here. Yes, bring you yet another video. And in this video, guys, we're going to see a new listing we have in the office. Just come in the office here in Ajijic on Lake Chapala. We are in Las Salvias. It's a beautiful area here in Ajijic. If you're looking for a home that's, you're looking for 1,000 square meter lot, 400 square meter home, with views of the lake. Location is everything, guys, and this is exactly what we have today. 3 bedrooms. It was built around in the 70s, 80s, so it has that really cool, funky vibe to the house. I have to say, guys, there's space to drive in 2 cars into the carport. The house itself sits on 1,500 square meters of land, and the construction is 467 square meters of construction. So a fair amount of construction. Anyway, guys, without further ado, let's go and check out the house. And by the way, if you're new to the channel, guys, please consider subscribing. My name is Rich Varney. Welcome. And I upload videos every single week all about living here in Mexico, giving you little tips and tricks about buying real estate in Mexico, showing you lots of tours of houses. And I also have a podcast, so check out the podcast, The Rich Varney Show, link in the description. And by the way, while you're at it, subscribe and hit that notification button. So anyway, without further ado, so we've got all that out the way with, guys, publicity stuff. Let's go and see the house, shall we? Welcome to Deluxe Las Salvias. Let me show you around, guys. Come on through. I'm going to walk you down a few steps. There's also a little ramp here, so you can, if you need wheelchair access, you have it. This is a really kind of cute little courtyard. As we walk in, here we have the kitchen. So I want to show you around the courtyard here. This is the main door that we came in to, okay? So you just get an idea. So you can come in the carport, you can come in that main door. This tree in front of us, we're really lucky in Mexico because things grow so well here. And this tree is an avocado tree. So from this tree, you would probably have sufficient, if you like avocados and guacamole, guys, I don't know about you, but it's my favorite. This tree would give you probably guacamole for the whole year. And the avocados, if I can zoom in here, I'm a big avocado fan. These are butter avocados, so they're really creamy. I'm gonna walk you through the property, guys. As you walk into the main area, this is, of course, the main living area. It's all open concept, but I wanna show you the high ceilings here. This house was built in the mid-70s. Beautiful Mexican charm arches. And all of this area, you have views of the lake. It's a little bit blown out today. The garden is a very mature garden, but you do see the lake from here, and as we get a little bit closer, you'll see what I'm talking about. So there's one bedroom here just off the kitchen area. The house actually comes unfurnished. You have plenty of closet space here. This window is a south-facing window, so it will probably get sun most of the day. You have a kind of cute little nook here that you could turn into something. And your complete bathroom with a shower. We're going to come back out into the kitchen area. By the way, guys, I will leave all the description of this property down below. And if you want to come and see this property, just send me an email. My email will be down below too in the description of the video. I'm going to take you into the other 2 bedrooms, the master bedroom with its ensuite. which is south facing. And this door takes you out on the terraza. Closet space here. I know a lot of the, it's always important closet space, but you have two good sized closets with more storage at the top. So if you're looking for an older property, guys, that you could renovate this and turn it into something quite extraordinary. And then this is the third bedroom, which to me, this is more of an office than a bedroom, I think. You could put a single bed in here, you could put a double bed in here, but it's a good size office. And this window is north facing, so this room would be a little bit cooler compared to the rest of the house. Now I want to take you out onto the terrace. This is kind of probably one of my favorite areas of the house. What I want to do is just zoom in so you get there we have it. So you get really nice views of the lake. That's heading west. And I'm going to come in here. You could possibly cut down these trees a little bit more to have a better view. You can see that lovely view of the lake. So I wanted to show you how long the terraza goes all the way down this property, south facing, so you have plenty of space for entertaining your guests. And the house comes with solar energy. Your electricity bill comes in at $10 every 2 months. For a size of property like this, it's pretty impressive. And also you have solar hot water as well, so that keeps your gas bills down, because here in Mexico everything is on propane. Every house has individual propane tanks. So you can see the mountains behind you. Maybe I could zoom in to get you a view of the mountains from here. So I'm going to walk you around this beautiful orchard, guys, and I've just been told by the people living here that there are 3 different types of avocados, 3 different types of mangoes here in this little orchard. You've got oranges, lemons. If you buy this property, you're going to be selling avocados. Or maybe just giving them to your friends. I mean, I wouldn't say, I'd be sharing guacamole. Share the guacamole love in Mexico. You have your own bananas here as well. Look how beautiful mature the garden is. It is your own orchard in Ajijic. So there we have it, guys. Thank you so much for coming on the tour today of Deluxe Las Salvias here in Ajijic on Lake Chapala. I hope you've enjoyed the tour. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification button if you haven't already. And thank you again, guys. Thank you for coming. Thank you for continually supporting the channel. I really appreciate it. I'm coming up to nearly just over 1.5 years of doing videos all about living here in Mexico, showing you real estate, giving you little tips and tricks. So it's been a real lovely journey for me so far, and there is so much more. I promise, guys, there is so much more I'm going to be doing on my channel. Like, I'm going to be showing you properties from all around Mexico. I'm going to be showing you properties in Los Cabos. I'm going to show you properties in San Miguel de Allende, in Playa del Carmen, and Tulum. In all these different areas of Mexico that you may want to buy real estate, and you just want an insight into the area, the costs and the cost of living and things like that. So it's all to come, guys. So please remember, subscribe, hit that notification button so you get notified of all them videos that are up and coming. And check out the podcast. I've done some really interesting interviews with people all about the real estate market here in Mexico. So link will be in the description, The Rich Varney Show. All right, guys? So without further ado, thank you so much, and have yourselves a great day. Take care, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Hasta luego, amigos.